and
So you went on a hay ride, eh?
yeah, I went on to a hayride and watched the WWD event after the Battle Royal after the hayride.
Oh, hey, look at the leaves.
Has a rather unusual story behind it since Blast Island doesn't belong there. It was formed and named in 1932.
Yeah, next week would be good, but that's the last week now.
Is it?
Yep. This is October 5th, folks, in case you're interested, right?
2014.
Yeah.
If you guys care.
Hey, that's a nice shot down the river. Sweet.
All the way across the river in the vicinity of the island.
Okay, now
where's Dan?
I'm gonna take the camera as Mick jumps in.
Where's Dan? He's cold.
I think he's downstairs. He was up here for a little bit.
I don't think he likes cold.
Mel gave me a hard time because I took a picture of a buoy as
All
we're
the
going by.
contractors, like many of us, had to find someone in which to put the blame. So naturally, he blamed his new young secretary back at the Home Office, saying she had misplaced the decimal point on the purchase order for the dynamite. Instead of the 20 tons, it was only supposed to be 2. The error was found out too late.
You know what's nice about videos? You can pause it, and there's a picture wherever you want it.
Right.
That's why I like videos.
Not believe in the legend. However, we do have a passenger on the boat today. Her name
Just
is
in case I'm mooning
Donna,
here or something.
and when she's canoeing, she won't even stop at that island. Legend has it that secretary is out buried somewhere.
Hey, Hawk City. Some leaves if I have a soft view.
Oh yeah.
Get the sun on it, be nice. Yeah. I figured it'd be a lot better than it is now with all the rain, you know.
There's a couple way up on top.
Way up there.
Way up there. Way up.
Up on the hill. Next to Chief Long Turd.
Yeah, look way up.
There's my teepee. Yeah.
Popular chief of the tribe.
Yeah. Chief who?
Chief Hungwelo. The most popular chief of the tribe.
I just know Chief Long Turd.
Tell him I love this thing. Huge screen.
Yeah.
And like he was talking about, zooming. I'm like, but this, it's like if I'm looking at something in a video, I
know, that's nice. You can just touch it.
and it's 1080p,
Yeah.
which is the highest quality video there is.
There's a bathroom downstairs. You said you gotta pee.
I think we're gonna go downstairs.
Where are you going, girl?
It is a little cool up here.
Yeah, I'm
Oh, it's nice.
I figured I already lost my wife to downstairs. She's a
Yep.
freeze baby.
She's kissing Dan, getting another cold.
Yeah. She's a freeze baby.
She's down there kissing Dan.
Yeah, maybe I'll have to go down and ask if one of them has a cold.
Don't put your straw in anybody's drink. Nice.
Wonder how much power this thing has.
3 horse. And united we stand. What do you think, Art?
I think it's great.
Yep, it's nice to get out, ain't it, Tim? Isn't it nice?
It is.
So you got your video camera going, so when I drop my phone, you can watch the flaring effect?
Good. Nice! Boy, if you fell into that, that would kind of suck. You think? I was doing a little Jimmy.
on a ball.
Yes, we look at each other through the camera. You know, I was thinking if a guy, last night I was thinking about the paddles. If a guy was, I think somebody's done that. Not around here, but down on the southern rivers, down south. Into it, yep. I believe there was some kind of show I watched where accidents, you know, 1,000 ways to die.
You actually have a pretty good chance of making it. Because they're going fast enough, they're just going to carry you through and spit you right off the bat.
Not necessarily.
And you look like park benches rotating at you.
All I know is I don't think I'd care for it.
But I'll have a seat on that one before they come up.
Yeah. I'd like to sit right on the end there in a hot day.
Oh yeah.
Right between them on the black part. Say cheese. Put your head back down there.
I was trying to look to see if there's a doorway going out there.
Look at the camera. I like it.
Before they even cross away. You got a video going. Oh man. Yeah, you know what's
Did you
funny?
clean your ears?
I don't want to see that. Yeah, you know what's funny? The leaves are turning more down here than they were up there. I think you've had enough of that, don't you? Haven't you?